Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn how we simplify fractions by using divisibility rules. Okay. So in previous video, I posted a video for how divisibility rules for 2 to 10. So if you missed to watch that video, I will post those links below this video so you can watch. It's very useful if you remember that divisibility rules, very quick way you can decide how we reduce this fraction, what number I can go with, what number I can divide by. So it's very good strategy to memorize that divisibility rules and using for reduced fractions. All right, so we will see 10 problems in this video. So let's see here we have is we have 10 problems. First one, we had 12 divided by 16, and we need to reduce. So first thing, you will check what number you can divide to both of them. Or you can think what is common factor in between, all right? So how we will use that divisibility rules is, oh, both of them we have even number, right? Last digit, if we have 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, always we can divide by 2. So let's see here. We can divide by 2 to both of them. So you can say we can divide by 2, divide by 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Again, we have both of them, they are even number. So we can divide by 2 again. So you can divide by 2, divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have final answer is 3/4. Now also, I will show you other way. You can think about 2 factors of 12 and 2 factors of 16. So let's say we can think that way. We have 12 over 16. So you can say, what 2 factor of 12, what comes in your mind? 4 times 3, right? So we can say 4 times 3. And 16, what 2 factor of 16? We have 4 times 4. 4 times 4. So if we have same factor on numerator and denominator, we can just cancel it out. We can divide by 4 to both of them and leaves you 1 over 1. So now we have leftover is 3/4. You will come up with same answer. So you can use either method, either way you can do it, you will get exactly same answer. Let's say next one, 39 over 57, right? So we need to check what common factor in between, what I can divide by to both of them. Can we divide by 2? No, they are not even numbers, so we cannot. Let's see, we can divide by 3. We know our 3 divisibility rules. So you can check for 3 divisibility rules. 3 plus 9 is 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. So you can divide by 3 here. Let's see in bottom. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 divisible by 3. So you can divide by 3. So yes, both of them we can divide by 3. Right, so let's see here. We can divide by 3, divide by 3. 39 divided by 3. I knew 13 times 3 is 39. So here we will get 13. 57 divided by 3 is 19. Now can we reduce 13 and 19? No, they are prime number, right? So we cannot reduce any more. That's it. All right. Let's see third one. I'm pretty sure you can do it. So pause this video and come back and check with my answer. Okay, what happened to this one? Let's see next one. 21 over 27. So what is first thing I will check? What number I can divide to both of them, right? 21 and 27. What two factor I knew about 21? I knew 3 times 7. So I will check, can I divide by 3 in bottom? Oh yes, 3 times 9, right? So I can divide by 3 to both of them. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Can we reduce more? Always make a habit. In final answer, always you check. My answer is fraction. Can I reduce more? We cannot. Both 7 is prime number, so we cannot. All right, number 4. Let's say number 4. So first thing, what is first strategy? What number we can divide to both of them? What is common factor in between, right? Remember divisibility rules for 5. If we have last digit is 0 or 5, we can divide by 5. So here on top we have 0 and bottom we have last digit is 5. So we can divide by 5 to both of them. So here we can divide by 5, divide by 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 55 divided by 5 is 11. Can we reduce more? We have 11 in bottom. It's prime number, so we cannot divide by anything else. We cannot reduce more. Let's see number 5. Oh, we did it. So you can just ignore this. Okay, let's see number 6. We have 81 over 108. So what I can reduce by? What I can divide to both of them? You can remember your divisibility rules again. Do we have even number? No, so we cannot divide by 2. Can we divide by 3? You can check sum of digits, right? 81 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Also, you can divide by 9, right? So you can divide by 3. Also, you can divide by 9. In other one, we have 108. So you have again 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. You can divide by 3. Also, we have 9 is a same divisibility test, similar as 3. So if we have sum of each digit is divisible by 9, you can divide by 9. So we can divide by 9 directly here. So 81 divided by 9 is 9. 108 divided by 9 is 12. 12 times 9 is 108. Can we reduce more? What factor we can divide to both of them? We can divide again by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And that's it. Right. Let me give you one more here. Instead of this, we have, let's say, 24 over, let's say 24 over 32. What number we can divide by? Both are even number, so you can divide by 2. Divide by 2. So you have 24 divided by 2 is 12. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Now we can divide by 4 again. Look at this. So you can divide by 4. You don't need to keep writing, I'm dividing. You can just reduce and write it up directly. Like 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So that is your answer. Let's see next one. Number 7. 51 over 123. What number we can divide to both of them? We can divide by 3. 51. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. In 123, sum is 6. So you can divide by 3 again. Right. So let's see. It looks like it's prime, but it's not. So if you remember this divisibility rules, it will be very helpful to you. Okay. So you divide by 3, divide by 3. So 51 divided by 3 is 17. 17 times 3 is 51. And if you divide by 3 here, 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3. So 17 over 41. And both of them, they are prime numbers, so we cannot reduce more. Next one, 48 and 64. What number we can divide to both of them? What is common factor in between? See, that's how you will think about. Whenever you need to reduce this fraction, always you think, what number I can divide to both of them? What is common factor in between? So if we cannot think anything, both of them, they are even. So we can reduce by 2. So that means you divide by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 64 divided by 2 is 32. Now, if you recognize, look at this, we have 8 timetable, right? 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4 is 32. So you can divide by 8, 3 and 4, and that is your answer, okay? Let's see, number 9. We have 500 over 700. So here is another strategy I can show you. We have last 2 digits, they are zeros, right? In both of them, numerator and denominator. Anytime if you have 1 0 in end, you can just cancel it out, or you can say you can divide by 10. If we have 2 zeros in end on both numerator and denominator, you can reduce by hundreds. So let's see here, you can divide by 100, divide by 100, and you will get just 5 over 7. Can we reduce more? No. So that's it. Next one, we have last digit is 5 and 0, so you can divide by 5. So let's see here, we divide by 5. 125 divided by 5 is 25. 80 divided by 5 is 16. Can we reduce more? See, on top we have 25, only we can divide by 5 or 25. We cannot divide by 5 to 16, so that's it, that's your answer. All right, I hope this video will help you to getting better at reducing fractions, simplify fractions, same thing, reduce fraction or simplify fractions. And you are using divisibility rules, so it will be better, you will memorize. You need to do more practice. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and feel free to ask me questions in a comment. Thank you very much for being here. See you next time.